Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make anatomy edits like the ones you see on the screen right here. I absolutely love making these, so I thought why not show you guys how to make them today. If you want to follow this account, it's at ScumBaby. You can see it on the top there. SKAMBBY. Thanks. So, in order to make these, all you're going to need is one picture. Then you're going to go to one app called Pixar, and all the features we're going to be using are free. So, this is really simple and everything. Sorry, I kind of forgot that I had this up. But basically, you just go ahead and you find your photo. And I screenshotted mine off of Instagram, so I'm going to have to crop that correctly into a square. Obviously, you can do different ones depending on what kind of one you want to post. You can use portrait if you want, but I do square. Then you're going to go to add photo and add the photo a couple more times depending on what you're going to put in. Then you just click on that photo and you click crop, and you crop it to whatever part of the photo you want. Then you're going to go over to the draw tool and make it white. Then you're going to go ahead and zoom in on the pictures and just create border lines around them. Sometimes this can take a very long time because it takes a while to get the lines just right and look good, as you can see here. I've also got nails on as I'm doing this, so it's pretty hard. Then after that, to do the dotted lines, you're going to go to brushes and click the second one, and you can make it smaller, which you're probably going to want to. And then you just kind of draw lines from where the item's at to the big box, and you just kind of play around a lot with this. I'd say that's mainly why these edits take so long. You kind of just want to mess around with the lines and see what it looks like, and that can take a while to figure out how you want it. And then you're going to go to the draw tool again and click on the little shape tool at the bottom. It will be the second one, and you're going to click circle and make sure it is on fill and up to the highest opacity so you can see it nice and well. You're going to click on the little color chooser and click on little dropper and choose the colors you want. Click shape and stroke this time. You can switch it up however you want in the thickness. I do 4, and once again make sure it's on white. I zoom in just so I can get a very good look. Then go into Fonto, which is also 100% free. you're going to add text of whatever and basically label the things that you put in the little squares. Then I go to style and I go to spacing and I space it out. I put it on 12. As you can see here, I'm having a dilemma with not being able to really see the word bracelets on either side of the box. So what I'm going to do is go to background, click that, and turn the alpha down as low as possible to make it be able to see. Now we have to put our watermark. Obviously this is optional. I do this, or at least I do it whenever I remember. Then you're just going to go ahead and save the image. And that's how you make the anatomy edits. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and everything like that. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Comment down below any questions you may have or any tips if you have any about these edits. Yeah, and go ahead and follow me on this Instagram to see what I caption this. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.